In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your default signature, address, and phone number in your Gmail account. Setting these up is essential if you want to streamline your communication and present a professional image whenever you shoot off an email. Plus, it saves you from having to retype your contact details each time you compose a message. Let's begin by diving into your Gmail account. Open your web browser, navigate to your Gmail, and log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're in your inbox, move your eyes to the top right corner where you'll spot a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down appear. Select See All Settings from the list. This will open up a full page dedicated to various Gmail settings. Now that we're in the settings section, you're going to find multiple tabs running across the top of the page. What you're looking for is the one labeled General, which should be the first tab on the list. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, you have the flexibility to create and edit your email signature. Start by clicking on Create New, and you'll be prompted to name your signature something straightforward like Default or Work will do just fine. Once you've done that, a text box will appear where you can start crafting your signature. Feel free to include your name, job title, organization, and any other important details like your website or social media links. Be mindful, though, that simplicity and clarity are key. You can also format the text, adjust the size, or even add a link by using the tools provided at the top of the box. After you're satisfied with your beautifully crafted signature, scroll down to see a couple of options about its use. You can choose to make this your default signature for new emails and replies or forwards. Make sure to select your new signature for each option from the drop-down menus if that's your preference. Once your signature is sorted, let's tackle setting your default address and phone number. Scroll further down the same general settings page until you find sections for your address and phone number. In these sections, you can specify the default information you want to include in your emails. Carefully enter your most relevant contact details. Once you're done, make sure to double-check everything for accuracy. Before you wrap up, here's an essential step. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button. This ensures that everything you've just set up is stored and active for your future emails. And there you have it. You now know how to set up your default email signature, phone number, and address within Gmail. This little bit of upfront work will go a long way in maintaining consistency and professionalism in all your email communications. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.